What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to unbox this package that I received from ModernCoinMart and show you the awesome silver that's inside. So let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. This is going to be an unboxing video. I haven't done a video like that in a while. I suppose some people would call it an unpackaging, perhaps even an unbubble wrapping video, but as many of you may or may not know, I'm actually an ambassador for ModernCoinMart. I'm the only one so far. They have plans to add another. And if you want to purchase some items that I have selected from their website at a discount, there'll be a link down below in the description. You go to my page on the website, and then you get 15% off any one of those items, or you could buy all of them if you want, and you just have to use the coupon code DRAGONS. So that's pretty cool deal that they are offering. Let's see if we can open this without breaking anything. I think we've done a pretty decent job so far. Maybe one more of those. Oh yeah, gotta get the serrated part. Okay, and here is the coin right out the gate, looking smoking. Now I believe this is the original mint packaging, which is really cool when they send you this kind of stuff. A lot of times if you buy graded coins, then wow, okay, you would just get the coin but not the original packaging it came in. So let's take a quick look at this. I'm kind of curious what this actually says. Oh, wow. So this would have been how the coin was originally presented. That is a cool case right there. And was this COA probably? Yep. So P'd Fort, if you don't know, it's like a round or coin, but it's twice as thick as a normal one. So I think it means like heavy foot or something like that. Probably got to Google it. Either way, this is the Isle of Man 2020 2-ounce silver 3/9 fine proof. And of course it is graded. It's a perfect grade. So let's break open the silver. It feels heavy too, because obviously it's heavier than a 1 ounce. There we go. Look at that. That is smoking. So it's the first release PF70 Ultra Cameo. So yeah, 70 is the highest grade. That is super cool. I love ships. In fact, I collect silver that has dragons on it and silver that has ships on it as well. And the relief on this is ridiculous. Look at that. You can see how far off the coin the ship actually comes. It looks like it's sailing away from the coin. That is so cool. Here's a quick look at the other side. Nothing super exciting, but we do have the date down there at the bottom, 2020. One thing that I like about ModernCoinMart is that they have free shipping on every single one of their items to USA. There's no minimum. So you could purchase literally just one coin and have it shipped for free, which is really cool. And they do have a really large selection of unique silver items. So if you like collecting different silver coins, different silver rounds, definitely check out ModernCoinMart. Again, if you want to check out my ambassador page, see what pieces I selected and get a discount, that link will be down below in the description. Just remember to use the code DRAGONS when you check out for that 15% off. Alright, so this was just a quick and fun unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons, out.